Well, it's the first balmy summer day here. It's 0 degrees and sunny on a Saturday. And I thought I would do something where I can do it all in one video, not mess anything up, which is replace the hydraulic lifters on the back hatch here. So I have the new ones here, and let's get to it. So what is the problem? Oh, yeah. So what is the problem? Let's take a look. Pretty straightforward. I bring it up. Goes down on its own. So obviously that's not what it's supposed to do. These are what this is what the lifters actually look like when you look close. So they're obviously shot, they're leaking oil everywhere, and we'll have to replace them. Both ends of both lifters have these little clips, so you just put a screwdriver in there and lift the clip out, and the ends will slide right off. So it turns out one is actually enough to fix this. So it works with just one, goes back up. But I'm still going to do both, obviously. All done. I guess I'll unlock it. Easy.